Hello friends, let's look at abstraction in this video. What is data abstraction? It is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. This is the definition of data abstraction. In Java, abstraction can be achieved by using either abstract classes or interfaces. Let's look at abstract class. What is an abstract class? A class which has one abstract method is an abstract class, and it can have non-abstract methods also. So to define an abstract class, you should have at least one abstract method in that class. And what is an abstract method? An abstract method is a method which do not have a body, and it can only be used in an abstract class. Then where the implementation of an abstract method is provided, there would be a question. The implementation of the abstract method will be provided by a subclass. Let's look at the example. Here I will create a class by name color. Let's make it test color with a public method, that is public main method. Now let's create a class by name color and define a method draw which prints color. Now let's try to create an instance of this color in the test color class, and we'll call this draw method. Now let's sorry. Now let's try to execute this test color class. The test color class has a main method in which we are creating an instance of a color and calling its draw method. So the output color would be displayed here. Now let's make some changes. Let's make this method as abstract. Yeah, yes. In the method, after the method name, the keyword of return type should be written. Either void, int, whatever is the return type, that should be written here. Now abstract void draw. Now it gives you a error. Let's see the first error. This error says that abstract methods do not specify a body. So the first characteristic of an abstract method is that it doesn't have any body. The abstract method is defined like abstract return type and name of a method after and semicolon. Now again look at this. Let's look at this error. The error says that the abstract method draw in type color can only be defined by an abstract class. This means you can have an abstract method in an abstract class only. For that, you need to make this color class as abstract. So once you make the color class abstract, then you can write an abstract method in an abstract class. Also, abstract class can have non-abstract methods, like you can have a non-abstract method like void set color in an abstract method. We'll print some value here. So the second character of an abstract class is it can have a non-abstract methods also. And if a class has an abstract method, then that class should be defined as an abstract. Now we have one more error here where we are trying to instantiate the color class using a new keyword. So what this error says, it says that you cannot instantiate an abstract class. So you need to remove this. So you can't create an instance of an abstract class and call its methods. So then what is the use of an abstract class? As I said, abstraction is like only showing what is required and hiding the details. So let's try to create two more classes like class red and let's try to extend the color class in this red class. Now let's see, this says that class color class red extends color, but it's showing some error here. The error says that you need to implement the abstract methods of an abstract class in which you are trying to extend that abstract class. So whatever abstract methods are there in color class, you need to override, or you need to implement them in the subclass. The red class is called as a subclass, just right here, and class color is a superclass, and red color extends color. Red class extends color, and when it extends, it should implement or it should override all the abstract methods of an abstract class. So let's provide some implementation here. We'll say color is red. Let's write one more class, blue extends color, and implement the draw method, and let's provide some implementation here. We'll say color is blue. So in abstract class, we'll provide the abstract methods, and those and that abstract method would be implemented in the implementing classes red and blue. So color is a superclass, and red and blue are the subclasses. This is subclass 1, this is subclass 2. Now let's create the instance of these two implementing classes, that is red, 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 and red dot draw. Okay. Similarly, we'll create instance of blue, and call its draw method. Now in this case, we are only creating the instances of red and blue, and we are calling the draw method of those classes. These are altogether different classes. So first we will print color is red, and the second one, draw statement, would print color is blue. So then what's the use of abstraction? Now let's look at it here. Instead of that, we will create a reference of color. We are providing a reference of a color abstract class, and we will make it to point to a red implementing class. Now if I call color draw, in this case it should draw red. And now again what I will do is I will point this reference to a blue implementing class, because blue is also implementing this color abstract class. So the color reference can point to this implementing class blue or this subclass blue. Now if I again call color.draw after pointing blue, now it should display color is blue. Now let's execute this and let's look at the output. Okay, now we'll just comment these two and try to execute. If you look at the code, you have a reference of abstract class color, you have a single reference color, and depending on which subclass it is pointing, the color of that abstract class would be changed either to red or blue, depending on to which instance or which implementing instance or to which subclass it is pointing. So this is a example of abstraction. Similarly, you can have many classes like red, blue, green, yellow. It means in color you are providing only what is necessary. You are just showing that there is a draw color here, but you are not providing any implementation of that color in the abstract class color. And whatever abstraction and whatever implementation needs to be provided will be provided in the subclasses of that abstract class, and depending on the instance the implementation of this draw method will change. This is abstraction. And extends keyword is used to subclass a superclass into a subclass, and this feature is called as inheritance. In next video, let's try to explore more about inheritance and abstraction using interfaces. Till then, goodbye and have a good day. Thank you.